Today, I got a new package from Hardcore Cycles. I will tell you, if you've never shopped at Hardcore Cycles, check them out. Ordered this Thursday night. It arrived today on Friday at 3 o'clock. Let's open the box. Hopefully the tape doesn't give it away. Cardboard. Nice foam pattern. The new seat. Let's get it unpackaged. Cut the zip tie off. Instructions. Don't think we're going to need those, but we'll see. Saddlemen step up tuck and roll. Absolutely beautiful. Take our 3/16 Allen. We need to remove this little bracket. Now we're going to remove the little washer that it comes with. This is the fender washer. Keep it from getting scratched. All right, once we flip that around, we'll put the screws back in. And don't torque them down too tight. I just do it hand tight with a little bit of extra. All right, let's go remove the old seat. Okay, we need to remove the factory screw, flathead screwdriver. Yours may be different bolt, mine's just a flathead screwdriver. And we will not be reusing this screw. I will be using the Saddlemen security lock feature. All right, now we're just gonna lift up the seat and shove down and pull right out. And just put this off to the side. So we need to remove this to this location here, since now it's a 2-up instead of a single. We're going to go ahead and clean up down there real quick before we put the seat on. All right, now we're going to pop this clip out. I recommend using something plastic to get this, as if you do go across your paint, you don't scratch it. But you need to pop that clip off and try not to lose it. And this piece will fall down, so let's just try to hold it. All right, save this little C-clip and be careful, this piece will fall on the floor. So now we just need to get this piece out right here, and then we will get the piece that fell on the floor and move it to this spot right here. Here is the seat bolt. It has a little notch, so make sure you get the right way. I'm gonna go ahead and clean this off. It's got a lot of road grime on it. We'll go ahead and pop this out from underneath. All right, to get this clip out, you stick your hand underneath and just push right up. It'll come right up. All right, I'm gonna put this in the other hole so I don't lose it. Just push it straight down. Line up the groove, good to go. All right, now we'll take our bolt and go ahead and stick it through the bottom of the fender, underneath. Line it up. Take our C-clip and just shove it in there. Lock it in place. Now we'll go ahead and put the seat on. All right, now we'll take the seat, and this clip right here needs to go underneath this tab right here to get the seat in there right. So you got to shove it down and get it in the right spot. What I do is I straight down, push forward, and then just kind of lift it up a little bit and make sure it's underneath there. Now that we got that, we just need to take the seat, make sure it's all the way shoved forward. All right, we'll take our new fender protector, put it over this, and then we will grab our whatever seat bolt you want to have in there. I have the Saddlemen lock with adapter. Take our security screw and the little security bit that they provide with this kit. Crank it down. Just don't carry it down too tight, because otherwise you probably won't be able to get it off. But like I said, just don't over tighten it. And that's what the Saddlemen step-up seat looks like on a Lowrider S 2020. Pretty simple, easy install. Definitely love the way it looks. One thing I will tell you, these Saddlemen seats are great. Had them on the Sportster. Give it about 700 to 1,000 miles before you even contemplate saying it's good or bad. Once you hit that mark, it's great. But guys, if you like the video, hit the like button. Consider subscribing. It's free. It doesn't cost you nothing. And I'll catch you on whatever I'm doing next. Remember, ride something and ride safe. See you later.